So welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be doing unboxing. Let's go. So first I'm gonna open this guy. So here's all the stickers. Oh, I forgot there's plastic. Ew, that was hard. So here's the markers that come with it. And this little cute guy. Here's the instructions. Next, hair clips. Oh yeah, but by the way, if you guys go to high school with me, you'll be seeing me wear these tomorrow. Here's the purple one. And the green one. Here's the orange one. And the blue one. And the pink one. My favorite color. This is all the garbage. Next, number 1 Hot Wheels car. So this car is purple, has yellow stripes, on its hood, a big black stripe on his hood, some yellow on the side, and it's a Dodge. Hot Wheels car number 2. So this car is pink with yellow and orange flames. And I have no clue what kind of car it is. Oh, it's a 1963 Chevy. This one is don't fall off. This guy is a Dodge Challenger. A Dodge Challenger. Stay there. And the last one, car number 3. So this car is also purple, but is chrome. It has chrome purple on it. Has white stripes on the front and back hood. Yellow wheels, and it's a 1910 Camaro. This one was made in 2008. This one was made. This one was made in 2015. And this one was made in Oh, I don't think it says that on that one. I don't think it says on this guy. So guys, if you guys are watching and you go to high school with me, you guys know that I am going to wear one of these clips tomorrow. Because I said it earlier in the video. So I need to figure out what color I'm gonna wear with my outfit. And I don't know, so I need you guys to pick what color I should wear with my outfit. So there's purple, blue, pink, yellow, green. Wait, purple, blue, pink, green, yellow, and orange. Wait, purple, blue, pink, green, yellow, orange. So there's 6 colors. There's 6 colors to choose from. Pick one, and then I'll wear it tomorrow. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, and remember to subscribe and hit that like button really hard. Bye.